In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up to Grammarly and then paste your article on Grammarly. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. My name is Isaac and this is A Minute with AI. So to get started with Grammarly, first you need to go ahead and search for Grammarly on your web. So you can use just any browser and then search Grammarly like this. And here it will take you to Grammarly, which is a free writing tool. From here you can sign up and also download this app for free. So I already have the app downloaded. I downloaded this from Microsoft Store and therefore I'll just proceed and sign up for free. The app is here, so I'll go ahead and sign up for free, and this will take me directly to the website where I can sign up with my Google account just like that. And once I've signed up, I can now go ahead and open Grammarly. So I'll go ahead and allow this, and from here I'll click on open Grammarly and then I'll go with the free subscription. Now once you're done, you'll get to this page where you can now begin editing your documents. If you want to create a new document, it is simple. Just go ahead and click on new doc, and then this will go ahead and open a new and blank document. From here, go ahead and give it a title. So I'll rename mine. And once you have given your article a title, it's time to go ahead and paste your document here. So if you have already written a document or you have an article, just go ahead and click here and then paste it here. So you can see my document has been added on this page. Now from here, you can begin doing any type of edits on your document without any issue. As you can see how the overall score of your document and so many other parameters on your document. So that's how you copy and paste your document. And now you can start looking for mistakes in your document as you correct them. So that's how you can add a document or copy a document in Grammarly. If you have another question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, please like it and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.